Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Ain Arina binti Johan. I am from class 3 BNM. So this video is for my individual project for class Fabric and Apparel Manufacturing Technology. This video will tells you about the story of a comforter textile. Comforter. Comforter is a type of bedding made of two lengths of fabric or covering sewn together and filled with insulative material for warmth, traditionally down or feathers, wool or cotton batting, silk or polyester, and other down alternative fibers. A comforter is a fluffy, thick, and decorative blanket used as the top covering on the bed. Comforters are typically filled with synthetic fibers materials such as polyester or cotton blends and are usually quilted or stitched in some patterns so that the material is secure and evenly distributed. Here are the examples of the fiber used in order to make the comforter. Cotton, cotton blends, and synthetics are the most common fabric used in order to make the comforter. Next is the principle of manufacturing. There are many things to consider when selecting the optimal comforters. The ideal choice of a comforter will go beyond its outer shell material. So, these are some of the filling material alternatives for the comforters. First is a cotton fiber. It is a plant fiber renowned for its breathability, hypoallergenicity, and high absorbency rate. The cotton filling will make a perfect choice for the lightweight comforters. Comforters with the cotton filling are generally machine washables. Wool fibers. Wool is a moisture wicking, so it will avoid the overheating of the user's body, which generally occurs even in the cold months. However, the wool-filled comforters are heavier compared to those with the other types of fillings. The third one is down. This is a high-quality filling material made of a natural gauze product, which is as warm as wool but fluffier than the latter. Comforters with down filling are washable, highly breathable, and lightweight. The fourth one is silk. Mulberry silk is commonly used for the comforter filling. Silk has long natural fibers. It is moisture-wicking, antibacterial, and breathable. Silk also has anti-inflammatory and hypoallergenic properties. Lastly is the man-made fibers, which is usually used the synthetic materials. These are machine-extruded fibers that provide high-quality filling but without the expenses of natural filling. It is also washable, breathable, resilient, and lightweight. Next, I will show a video of the manufacturing process of comforter textile productions. The workers will make sure that the filling inside the comforters enters properly. Then, the machine will sew the seam on the sides of the comforter. After finish sewing it, they will exchange it with the next comforter. Following is the testing method. For the testing method, there is one method that is always used, which is the assessment of ignitability of bedding items. Part 1. Ignition source, the smoldering cigarettes. Since fire are sometimes caused by the ignition of bedding items by either a smoldering cigarette or a smoker match or lighter, it cannot be assumed that the protections against a smoldering ignition source will give protections against flaming ignitions. So, tests involving both types of ignition source are needed. Then, we go to the technologies and future trends. One of the latest trends which are observed among the customer is the requirement of environmental friendly products. Professionals around the world have noticed an increase in investments for the development of eco-friendly comforters, which are both organic and affordable. The second one is an electric blanket or electric comforter. It is a bed covering made using wool, cotton, polyester, and acrylic materials. It is integrated with a wiring system that offers heat and warmth through the cold wires. It will comprise a control unit which enables the user to alter the amount of heat generated. And lastly is the pros and cons of a comforter. For the pros of the comforter, first, it is already designed prettily. Second one is they often sold the comforter in set, which usually sold with the bed sheet. And for the cons of the comforter, first, it is a big design commitment. Second one is the comforter will deflate over the time. And that's all from me. Thank you.